Hey guys, we're live. 7:35, battling for Spencer's DT Luke. Up here, there he is. I got 130 spots that I'm going to copy and take over to random to find our winner. There we are. Oops. Missed the last one, or the first one, depending on your point of view. 130 spots. There, I got every one of them. Neat. Here we go, over to random. I got 130, as you can see, from the number of entries. There they all are. I'm going to roll the dice here in a second to see how many rounds we're going to go. Got to get at least 5, as you know. We did. We got an 11. I'm good to go. Good luck, everybody. Who doesn't love a DT loot? CJ round 1. Bill 2. CJ again on top in round 3. Hans 4. Mike 5. Andrew takes round 6 and 7. Todd round 8. Oleg round 9. Mike in the top spot for our next to last round, round 10. Bring us to the final round. Good luck, folks. Here we go. And our winner is Jason Hassel in at number 103. Congratulations, Jason. Here's the verification. All the way down at the bottom. HVGJHC. Jason Hassel in at number 103 is the champ. I'm done. That's 737. Blammo. Again, here's the results. Congrats. See you guys. Thanks.